We have done our final year project on manhole detection and control system. I am Supraja of department from Social College.
I am Pravina of EC department from Link Engineering College. We have done a final year project under the guidance of Mrs. G. Prema, Assistant Professor, EC department.
Introduction. In developing countries, manholes are not monitored properly. Most of the cities is currently using a poor underground drainage system. The main objective of the project is to design a fully automated manhole monitoring system. The first issue is overflow detection, and the second one is the presence of lethal gases, and the third one is blockage inside the manhole. The block diagram of a project has a main microcontroller Arduino Uno, and we have a power supply to power up the Arduino Uno board. And we are using the three sensors: gas sensor, ultrasonic sensor, and the flow sensor. And we are setting the fish through node MCU and display the values in LCD.
In our project, we have used two manholes. The ultrasonic sensor measures the water level present in both the tanks. The gas sensor is used to detect the presence of harmful gases in both the tanks. The flow sensor is used to detect the block between the tanks. The sensor are controlled by the Arduino. Further, we have collected the data from the sensor, and we have used the Canine app to display the graph. Canine is an app that can be used with the mobile phone and computer to monitor the interconnected sensors from the remote location. It triggers thresholds alerts for devices, events, and actions. The following parameters that we have measured using the LCD are level of the tank 1, level of the tank 2, and if any blockage is detected, it is also displayed in the LCD. This is the graph what we have obtained by using the Canine app. The first graph determines the tank 1 level, which is plotted according to the date and time. Similarly, the flow from tank 1 and tank 2 is also plotted in the form of the graph, at which time we have connected and measured the data. The data can also be implemented in the form of a spreadsheet, which includes the parameters like tank in level 1, level 1 tank, level of tank 1, level of tank 2, and blockage in connection, etc. Finally, the real-time sensor data is monitored using Canine app. Also, the values will be displayed on the LCD. This is the final output what we have obtained in the LCD. It includes the following parameters like level of tank 1, level of tank 2, and blockage, etc. In our project, we are considering the tank named Tank 1 and Tank 2 as manholes. We have used ultrasonic sensor, which is fixed on the handle of both the tanks, is used to detect the level of the water inside the manhole. Further, the level of the water is displayed on the LCD. Then we have used two gas sensors, namely carbon monoxide sensor and methane sensor, which is fixed on the cap of the two tanks, which is used to detect the presence of harmful gases. The flow sensor is fixed on the tank 2, which maintains the flow of water. If there is any deviation in the flow, it is considered as blockage. The sensor data will be displayed on the LCD.